This digital hybrid line combines the short-run, quick changeover benefits of digital printing with the embellishment capability of a conventional press, all in a single process. Compared to a standard reel-to-reel configuration, a hybrid solution has the following benefits. Highly efficient for multiple SKU job structures, reduced manning costs, simple workflow, less waste. We can achieve less than 2 meters waste on a job or media change. Reduced lead times, added value labels, embellishments added both before as well as after the digital printing. The Domino N610i is available in 3 configurations. Reel-to-reel, with inline finishing and this full hybrid solution. Each is suited to different production requirements. At the beginning of the line, we have the unwind and media preparation, including web cleaner, web guides, and Corona. The print width is up to 13.1 inches or 333 millimeters, but you can also support narrower web width sizes to minimize waste. Following this, there is a Flexo station. This might be used for priming difficult substrates to optimize the inkjet print quality. We then have the optional buffers before and after the Domino N610i inkjet module. Combined with our web reverse function, this is designed to minimize waste and improve productivity. Waste is reduced to 2 to 3 meters, even with a die cut or change to a new media. It also enables a controlled stop in the event of a matrix break or other unplanned stoppage, so that on restart, the waste is avoided or minimized. Next is the 7-color N610i integration module. After the digital inkjet module, we have further Flexo stations for all your special spot color requirements. Above is a lamination unit for either cold foiling or super varnishing. Next is the semi-rotary die cut function, including the option for automated flexible die loading. Many features can be automated on this AB Graphic Digicon 3-line. Finally, the latest turret rewinder, including automated core size changes with each output reel programmed to the exact number of labels specified by your customer. Such flexibility enables you to produce completed, finished, and inspected production in just a single process. A bit more about the 7-color Domino N610i integration module. It includes orange and violet to increase your color gamut to over 90% of the Pantone range. Common requirements like printing reflex blue or 021 orange are all easily achieved. Compared to 4-color solutions, you get reduced ink usage. The separate LED pinning lamp enables printing of real fine detail down to a 2-point text size. The digital white can only be described as world-class. Screen-like images provide the highest levels of opacity, running at speeds of up to 70 meters per minute. Add to this our textured printing capability, producing 3-dimensional raised images to provide label designers extraordinary design capability and create truly innovative labels. Even with high opacity white, the N610i hybrid system operates at either 50 or 70 meters per minute with minimal changeover time. Just amazing productivity. The workflow is based on the industry standard ESCO DFE, giving a common solution for all your printing systems. The latest version demonstrated here includes advanced features such as colour variable data printing capability. Domino produces its own UV curable ink, enabling optimised ink formulations for the technology we supply. This latest UV90 ink set provides improved adhesion and light fastness and is UPIA and SwissLink compliant for food packaging applications. It is quite unique in its capability to print both self-adhesive as well as shrink sleeve labels. In summary, the Domino N610i Hybrid minimises your waste and allows you to deliver more high-quality labels to your customer at lower cost and in smaller quantities with a shorter lead time.